बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम सोल्व करने जा रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 4C। चेंज इनटू परसेंटेजेस, इनको हमने परसेंटेजेस में कन्वर्ट करना है। इसका जो ए पार्ट है दैट इज 6, 6 को हमने परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना है। तो 6 को परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए इट इज़ सिंपल। 6 will be multiplied with 100 and we will place percent sign at the end. It is the 600%. This is the answer of this part of question. Next, same like that 17, 17 को भी हम 1000 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. It will be converted into percent, that is the 1700%. Next, it's C part. 58 will be multiplied with 100%. It will be the 5800% its answer. Next, it's D part. 9 will be multiplied with 100%. Its answer is the 900%. Its E part. 23 will be multiplied by 1000%. Its answer is the 2300%. Now its F part, that is the 79 multiplied by 100%. (7,900%) is the answer of this one. Now it is the question number 12 of exercise 4C. Change these into percentages. इसको हमने percentages में convert करना है. So let's start to do this one. It's A part. 0.23. We have to convert this one into multiplication. इसको हम पहले क्या करेंगे कि इसको सिंपल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. इट विल बी 23/100, क्योंकि डेसिमल आफ्टर 2 प्लेसेस है, तो इसको हम 100, इसका डिवाइड बाई 100 होगा. परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 100% से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. दिस 100 विल बी कैंसिल दिस वन एंड 23% इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस वन. Next, 7.39, it will be converted into simple fractions. Or now to want to convert this one into percentage, we will multiply it with the 100%. This 100 will be cancelled this one. The answer is 739%. Its B part, it will be 701/100 multiplied with 100%. This 100 will be cancelled with this one, and now it is the 701% its answer. Its D part. 4.69 will be converted 469/100. To convert into percentage, we will multiply with the 100%. This 100 will be cancelled this one, and the 469% is the answer of this one. Now it is E part. It will be converted into simple fraction 39 over 10, and to convert into percentage we will multiply with the 100%. 10 will be cancelled with this one. 39 into 10%, it is the 390%. Next, going to find out this 0.00. It will be converted into simple fraction. It is actually 3, and we will multiply the with 100% to convert into percentages. It is just 300% its answer. Now it is the question number 13 of exercise 4C. Change these percentages into fractions. Mixed numbers or the whole numbers, reducing where you can. It's A part 75%. 75% means 1 over 100. It will be 70 over 100. Now we will divide this one with 5. It will be 15 over 20. Again divide the 15 divided by 5 and 20 divided by 5. It will be the 3 over 4. It is the final answer of this part of question. Next, going to solve its B part. There is the 300%. Percent means 1 over 100. We will divide the 300 by 100. This will be cancelled with this one. The 3 is the answer of this one. Next, 21%. Percent means 1 over 100. So 21 over 100 is the answer. This cannot be further simplified. Next, its D part. It is 38%. 38% means 38 over 100. We will divide this by 2 and also denominator by 2. This will be 19 over 50. This is simplified form and it is the answer of this part of the question. Next, it is its E part, that is 135%. 135% means 135 divided by 100. This will be divided by 5 and also denominated by divided by 5. This will be 5 2s are 10 and 5 7s are the 35. It will be 20. This is the final answer of this part of the question. Next, it is the F part. It is the 800%. 800% means 800 over 100 because percent means 1 over 100. Now these two zeros will be cancelled with these one and 8 is the answer of this part of question. This is the last part of this question. We have complete all these questions of all these parts of this exercise.